This faceless page makes between $3,000 and $10,000 per month, and this one is raking in $66,000 from one product just by recommending it in a short video. Now the crazy part, there are hundreds of thousands of pages just like this run by regular people all over the world. No camera, no fame, no big team. And today I'm going to hand you the exact step-by-step playbook to get started and even show you a secret trick that top pages use to make money from day one. But fair warning, this isn't for people with goldfish attention spans. You'll want to watch the whole video, maybe even pause and take notes, because I'm about to give you a roadmap most creators charge thousands for. And before we dive in, just a quick heads up, I've opened applications recently for my one-to-one TikTok shop coaching program. Only a few spots are open for people serious about scaling fast. So if that's you, check the link in the description and apply before spots fill up. Let's be real, most people struggle to make money on TikTok because of four main challenges. One is hitting the minimum follower count. Two is making content that gets views and followers. Three is doing all of that fast, because TikTok changes very, very quickly. And four is being from a country that qualifies. Now we're going to solve all four problems, but firstly, let's quickly break down the two main ways to make money on TikTok in case you've been living under a rock. One is called TikTok Shop Affiliate. Now imagine you post a TikTok about a cool gadget, tea or skincare product. If someone taps your link and buys it, you earn money like a digital salesperson. You didn't create the product, you didn't ship it, you just recommended it in a short, authentic video. Take the account of Miss Aziza, for example. This is a real life account. She made a 68-second video about instant tea powder, dropped the link and sold $330,800 worth of that product. Her take home profit over $66,000, all from that one product and that single video. And remember, TikTok doesn't limit how many videos you can post on TikTok Shop. You're only limited by the time that you're able to spend, and of course, you're not always gonna make that amount of money on every video. This just goes to show you that it is possible. On the other hand, the TikTok Creator Rewards program is slightly different. You don't sell anything, you just create longer, engaging content that TikTok pays you for per view. For example, if a channel like BrainHub AI gets 1.5 million views, they could make $750 all the way up to $1,500 from that one single video, just for people watching the video. And this is assuming they get paid anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. They could be getting paid even more than that. So just to compare the two monetization methods and summarize, TikTok Shop Affiliate, you make money from product sales, while on Creator Rewards, you make money from video views. TikTok Shop Affiliate is best for recommenders, and Creator Rewards is best for storytellers and educators. And TikTok Shop Affiliate, in order to start, you just need the product and the link to put in your video once you qualify. And for Creator Rewards program, you just need to create engaging content until of course you meet the minimum requirements and start getting paid from your views, just like the examples that I've showed you for TikTok Shop Miss Aziza and for Creator Rewards program BrainHub AI. Now to circle back and solve the four challenges we mentioned at the beginning. So the first challenge was follower count. Now TikTok Shop in the UK, you need a minimum of 1,000 followers in order to qualify. In the USA, you need a minimum of 5,000 followers. However, if you live outside these two countries, a quick Google search or even asking ChatGPT will let you know what your qualifying requirements are for your country if you have got these options available. Now, getting there manually can take anywhere from 60 to 90 days in some cases, or even longer if you are consistently posting. But what most creators aren't telling you that make money from day one and are printing money from these platforms is there is a shortcut. You can skip the waiting by starting with a ready-made account. There's a service called Monetized Profiles where you can buy a legit organic TikTok account that already meets the minimum requirement. So the account already has followers, it's based in the US or UK, it works worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, you get access to these accounts and there are no bots involved. So the account is healthy and you're not going to get banned by TikTok because you're using fake followers, fake engagements, bots in order to get there, which TikTok is very good at picking up, by the way. Now, what's even crazier is if you do find that you've got problems with your account, once you grab one of their accounts, they will give you a free replacement account. That's how much confidence they've got that their accounts absolutely work. Plus, I've negotiated created a discount for the first 50 viewers to click the link I've left in the step-by-step guide in the description of these videos. So you might want to go and check that out. Now, the other thing about this same method of buying already monetized account is it solves the other two problems that we've mentioned at the beginning, which are monetizing your content quickly and living in a non-supported country. Of course, if you buy an account that's already monetized, you can monetize from day one of posting, and it doesn't matter where you live in the world. Now, there is one more challenge that we've not addressed. There's one thing this doesn't solve. How do you make high quality faceless videos like BrainHub AI fast, efficiently? You could record voiceovers, find stock footage, edit, tweak music, etc., all done manually, but trust me, that's hours of work per video. But what if I was to tell you there's a tool that you could use, which accounts like BrainHub AI are most likely using in the background as well? This tool auto generates your script, it adds a voiceover for you, an AI generated text-to-speech voiceover. It finds B-roll to add into your videos, visuals, music, etc. And what's even crazier is all of that is done with one single prompt. Now, this is a tool, it's called InVideo.ai. I've left a link for a free trial in the step-by-step guide that's in the description if you'd like to test this out yourself. Now, what's even crazier is not only are you able to make a video from a single prompt, if you're someone that likes to be hands-on, you can also edit the video by using additional prompts after the video has been generated. For example, if you want to change the voiceover from a UK male to a USA male, you can do that. If you want to reduce the volume of the music in the background, you can do that. If you want to reduce the style of the music, change some of the B-roll, make the video longer, shorter, the options are virtually limitless. And again, the ease and the time spent very minimal, because all you do is request those edits by entering text within the tool. Again, if you want to try it for free, link is in the description. In a nutshell, here's a simple 3-step game plan to start making money on TikTok from today. Number one is you pick which monetization method you're going with. Is it TikTok Shop or is it Creator Rewards? Number two is you use platform like Monetize Profiles, which allows you to skip the follower ground and bypass 99% of people that are taking time to start by monetizing from day one. And number three is, of course, creating AI-powered videos fast using tools like InVideo.ai. Again, all these resources will be linked in the step-by-step guide in the description. Once again, if you'd like hands-on help with this, I have recently opened up one-to-one coaching using the link I've left in the description for applications, but this is only for people that are serious and that are open to high-touch support. If you feel like you might be the right person, feel free to go ahead and click on that link. And if this video helped you out, drop a like, comment AI bread below so I know you've watched the video all the way up until the end, and subscribe for regular videos on how you can monetize on TikTok in 2025 without showing your face.
7 days, I made $1,000.
Made over $24,000 on TikTok.
Within the last 7 days, I've been able to do over $59,000 in sales as a TikTok Shop affiliate.
Ended up going to $1,276.
So this is how much I generated in sales in the last 5 days promoting products on TikTok.
I tried TikTok affiliate program for 30 days and made $24,000.
So here's how to turn 25 bucks into over 6 grand in 48 hours.
Over the last 30 days, I have made over $80,000 profit by being an affiliate on TikTok Shop.
This is the commission I made so far.
Over $400 on TikTok Shop.
This is my deposit for 1 day.